All right, so we have Canva making some moves, making some updates, and this is another photo one that I want to show you. This one is called Magic Eraser. So sometimes we take that perfect picture and there's little brother that runs in the background, and you really didn't want little brother to be in that picture. So we're going to show you how to get rid of the little brother and have the picture look amazing. So here we go. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a new 5x5 canvas. As you can see, it's right there. And I'm going to just pull up any picture. Here's three people on the beach, and maybe we pretend that, these two are on the honeymoon, and this is the oldest friend that, you know, maybe you just didn't want in the picture. So we're going to show you how to get rid of this extra person, so it's just these two. Now, some of the time you could just get away by cropping the image out. But let's say that we really wanted something in the background here. We could hit Edit Photo up at the top, and we're going to go to this Magic Eraser. So we have the Magic Eraser. I'm going to enlarge the brush size just a little bit so I could kind of show you. You just click over what you want to get rid of. And I'm going to go like that. Once you unclick it, it's going to automatically go away. I do know that there is a shadow there, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that out as I go through my second pass at this, because sometimes it won't erase everything. It will just fade it away a little bit, and sometimes you need to do a second pass in order to get there. That actually did pretty well there. So I'm going to clean this up by going through and getting rid of the shadow, and this should look a lot better. So as it does that, as I said before, sometimes you have to do a second pass over. It won't take away the back of the image. The AI behind this kind of figures it out. But now we have our image right there, and it looks pretty good for what I would need it for, and for how of an easy process this is. So hopefully this one is something that you can use in the future, and I hope that you give it a shot.